Today I am introducing the latest Bevq application for beverages in Kerala. Here I am explaining about how to download and install the app, how to log in the app, how to book outlets, how to book tokens through SMS. Let's start. Firstly, open Play Store and search Bevq app. This is the original version of Bevq app. Install and open the app. For login the app, enter your name, mobile number and PIN code here. Then accept the terms and condition and choose your favorite language, English or Malayalam. Then select submit option. You will get a 6-digit OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP here and verify the mobile. Choose your favorite beverage type from here, liquor or beer and wine. Then select the option book your time slot. If your slot booking is not confirmed, you will get a message token is not available. If your slot booking is confirmed, you will get outlet details, queue number, date and time. You can purchase on time by direct counter payment. You can book new time slot after 5 days of a confirmed booking. And also slot can only booked from 6 am to 10 pm. How to book tokens through SMS? For liquor, type BL space PIN code space name. For wine, type BW space PIN code space name. Send it to 89433 89433. You will get a reply from Bevq Center within seconds. I think this video is informative for you. Alcohol consumption is injurious to health. Minimize the use of alcohol and protect your health. Thank you for watching this video.